Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Do you feel it? The heavy weight on your shoulders? It is the weight of all the English books you think you must read. It is the fear of big, scary grammar rules. Many people tell you, you must learn the perfect tense. You must use big words to sound smart. But tonight, or today, I want you to stop. I see you. I know you are tired. You spend hours trying to remember rules that do not make sense yet. You feel like you are failing because you cannot speak like a native speaker. I want to tell you a secret. You have permission to say no. You have permission to say no to hard grammar and yes to easy communication. Today, we are talking about autonomy. This means you are the boss of your learning. You choose the path. By the end of this video, the weight on your shoulders will be gone. I will show you why simple is actually powerful and how easy leads to mastery. Let us begin, slowly, together. Why do we feel bad when we speak simple English? It is because we think grammar is a mountain and we are at the bottom. But listen to this story. There was a student named Maria. Maria lived in a big city. She wanted to work in a tall office building. Maria studied grammar for 5 years. She knew every rule. She knew the past perfect continuous. She knew the third conditional. But when Maria went to a business meeting, she was silent. She was so afraid of making a small mistake that she said nothing. Maria had perfect grammar, but she had 0 communication. Do not be like Maria. You do not need a golden key to open a door. You just need a key that fits. Simple English is the key that fits every door. There is a scientific idea called the Goldilocks Zone. Imagine you are eating soup. One bowl is too hot. It burns your tongue. That is hard grammar. If you try to learn it too soon, it hurts your brain, and you want to stop. One bowl is too cold. It is boring. That is easy words. You already know 100%. The third bowl is just right. It is warm. It is comfortable. In science, we call this the zone of optimal learning. When you say no to hard grammar, you stay in the warm zone. When you are in the warm zone, your brain feels safe. When your brain feels safe, it learns 10 times faster. This is the secret of intrinsic motivation. That is a big phrase, but it means something simple. It means you learn because it feels good, not because a teacher is watching you. Let us look at another story. Meet Thomas. Thomas is an A2 learner. He knows simple words like I want, please, and how are you? Thomas went to a networking event. There was another man there. His name was Hero. Hero knew very complex grammar, but he was very nervous. Hero tried to say, "I would have liked to have joined the previous session if the schedule had permitted." Hero stopped 3 times. He looked at the floor. He felt sad. Thomas walked up to the boss of the company. Thomas smiled. Thomas said, "Hello, I like your work. Can we talk?" The boss smiled back. They talked for 20 minutes. Thomas used the Goldilocks Zone. He stayed with simple words. He did not try to be perfect. He tried to be present. Some people think mastery means difficult. That is not true. Think about a great singer. A great singer does not always sing the highest notes. A great singer sings the notes they know with a lot of heart. When you use A1 and A2 English perfectly, you are a master. If you can say, "I am happy to see you," with confidence, that is better than saying a complex sentence with fear. Confidence is the goal. Grammar is only a tool. If the tool is too heavy, put it down. Last story. Imagine a school project. 3 students must speak. Student A tries to use a dictionary for every word. Nobody understands them because the words do not fit. Student B is too afraid to speak. Student C says, "Our idea is simple. We want to help people. We need 3 things." Student C gets the best grade. Why? Because the purpose of language is to share an idea. If I tell you, "I am hungry," you understand me. If I say, "I am experiencing a significant lack of nutritional sustenance," you might be confused. Say no to the hard way. Say yes to being understood. We have learned a lot today. We learned that you are the boss. You have autonomy. We learned that hard grammar can be a wall, and you are allowed to walk around it. We learned that simple English is a sign of mastery, not a sign of weakness. Do not let the perfect version of you kill the learning version of you. Here is your small step for today. I want you to write 1 sentence in the comments. Use only simple words. Tell me 1 thing you like about yourself. Do not check the grammar. Do not use a translator. Just write it from your heart. I will read them and I will be proud of you. If you want to continue this journey of mastery without the stress, please subscribe to our community. We do not use big books here. We use big hearts and simple steps. Thank you for listening. Thank you for breathing with me. You are doing a great job. Do not forget that. I will see you in the next journey. Goodbye for now.